We are told confidence is the key to progress. Speak louder. Be more certain. Project certainty even when you don't feel it. But confidence doesn't actually move careers forward. Clarity does. Confidence is visible. It's easy to perform. And that's why it's rewarded early. But confidence without clarity creates momentum without direction. It looks strong until pressure appears. When complexity increases, confidence collapses if it isn't grounded. Decisions slow down, second guessing creeps in, energy drains. Because confidence can't compensate for unclear thinking. Clarity isn't certainty, it's not bravado. It's knowing what matters and what doesn't. With clarity, decisions become quieter, less emotional, more consistent. Quiet professionals spend more time thinking than performing. They notice patterns, they test assumptions privately. That reflection sharpens judgments not long before it's visible. Clarity compounds quietly. Each decision reinforces the next. Fewer reversals, less wasted effort. Over time, this creates calm authority, not reactive confidence. Maintaining confidence takes energy. Constant signaling, constant validation. Clarity, by contrast, reduces cognitive load. You stop proving, you start choosing. Mid-career is where clarity overtakes confidence. The loud stall, the quiet stabilize. And those with clear judgment start being sought out. Not because they are louder, but because they are reliable. That isn't always weakness, sometimes it's refinement. Quiet professionals often question more. And because of that, they decide better. You don't need to sound certain to be effective. You need to be clear. Clarity creates consistency. Consistency creates trust. Trust creates leverage. Confidence fades. Clarity endures. If you feel quieter, more deliberate, less performative than others, that's not a disadvantage, it's the foundation.